Hi everyone, I'm Vince, founder of Script Faster, the fastest way to create a script for YouTube that doesn't suck, that is based on already ranking videos. So here's the story. Yesterday I went and watched the new Mortal Kombat video with movie with my buddy, and it kind of got me thinking, that would be a cool video to do. I wonder if that's something I could rank for. And this is actually a new feature that I just added to Script Faster, is this competitor analysis. So what we're doing is we're sizing up the competition. That way we know if we're, that way we can avoid wasting our time. So this is pulling the top 5 videos for that Who Was Sub-Zero keyword. So if I were to go to YouTube, type in Who Was Sub-Zero, these are the videos that I would see. So I have a competitive intensity, kind of an internal metric that I've developed here on, okay, is this something that I could actually rank for? Because I don't want to waste my time. And, I can generate the script really, really easy with Script Faster, but then there's a lot of money involved in like a Faceless YouTube video with, if you're using like 11 Labs for text to speech, or if you're paying an actual voice actor, and a lot of time involved. So I don't want to waste my time if it's something that's just going to be impossible to go for. So this looks like it's an absolute winner. And I've got some KPIs here, some key performance indicators. So most recent video is 3 years ago. Median views, that is a lot of views. Typical length is 13 minutes, and looks like an okay engagement. Yeah, we've got a 30. So likes and comments per view. Engaged audience are harder to peel away. So how likely is it to get these type of people to my video? So yeah, I like this one. And what we also have here, based on, well, I guess showing the top 5 videos, this gives me an idea so I can start thinking about what do I want my thumbnail to look like. I've got tags here that I can just copy. They're not suggested tags, so tags are not as big a deal as they used to be, but they are still relevant for the algorithm. So nice, easy way to just click copy. And then we're going to create, and then, I guess not we, and then it gives us 5 title ideas that we could have for our video. So these are, again, based on the already ranking video. So why reinvent the wheel? Might as well go with what already works. So Sub-Zero's complete story across all Mortal Kombat games. Who is Sub-Zero really? The full character breakdown. The evolution of Sub-Zero's powers and legacy. From Bihan to Kuai Liang. Sub-Zero's journey explained. Why Sub-Zero matters to the Mortal Kombat. Actually, I like that one. And it said here that the typical length was 13 minutes. So I want to be in that range. So I'm going to generate a 15-minute lore video. I'm going to click generate script, and it's going to go ahead. And now this isn't just like ChatGPT slop. What's happening right now is I'm hitting several different AI models to generate this script. And kind of each step or each part in the pipeline is building upon itself. So we're classifying the topic, which Sub-Zero Mortal Kombat. We're planning our research. We're actually doing some research, and also including the different sources that are used to build this script. And then what I have done is I've taken already top ranking videos and that's why you saw kind of the style was being lore. That's the only one that's included right now in Script Faster. But I've taken already high performing videos, broke down the script, how it's all kind of put together, and then we feed our topic and all that into the models to assemble a dossier for what will be contained in the script. That way, it's good. It's really good. And so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. This is going to take between 5 and 10 minutes to create just an incredible script. And you'll see it here in just a second. And then we'll throw it into text to speech on 11 Labs so you can have an idea of, if I were to make a Faceless YouTube video, what would this look like? So see you in just a second. Okay, so it just wrapped up here. So Who is Sub-Zero really? The full character breakdown kind of gives us some ideas of what we could use for the thumbnail text. So Sub-Zero, one title, 2 brothers, which looks pretty cool. The Cryomancer, Bloodline Exposed, or Who Deserves It. Give some different chapter timestamps. And then what's really, really cool about this is, well, I guess let me go ahead and we'll just throw this into 11 Labs. I'm going to generate, do I have enough tokens? I hope I do. Yes, generate speech.
Sub-Zero is not a ninja, not a person, and not even one guy. And almost everything you think you know about gaming's most iconic ice assassin was retconned into existence years after the fact. The character you grew up with is essentially a cover story for a centuries-old dynasty. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Combat Lore, where we cover everything in the Mortal Kombat universe. Today, we're tackling the full character breakdown of Sub-Zero, who he really is, where he comes from, and what most fans have never been told. In this video, we're going to cover the Cryomancer origins, both brothers' arcs, the Quan Chi conspiracy, deep cuts most people have never heard, the MK1 reckoning, and a few theories about who really deserves the title. If you're enjoying the channel, drop a like and subscribe so more lore breakdowns find you. Now let's get into it.
See, isn't that just so good? So we've got a good script that doesn't suck. We've got the whole thing. I guess you could just click copy script and then throw the whole thing into 11 Labs or whatever AI platform you're using for text-to-speech, or if you're reading it yourself or using a voice actor. Well, I guess if you're using a voice actor, you could actually just click on share or make it public and copy that link and share it, and they will be able to access this whole page with including the competitor analysis down at the bottom, the suggested tags, the title ideas, everything, and then be able to create, your voiceover. But what else this does, and though I'm really happy about, is it gives image prompts. So let's say for each chapter, each section, we've got there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 image text to image prompts here. There's 3. All right, so I just pasted that text to image prompt into ChatGPT, and of course it gave it to me in a 4x5 format. So I need to go back and say, hey, I want that in a 16:9. That way it's the right format for a video. Pretty cool. Give that to me in 16:9. So anyways, that is just how powerful Script Faster is. Here in less than 10 minutes, I was able to come up with an idea. Who was Sub-Zero? I was able to see, is this something I can actually rank for? See some really good KPIs on, the typical views, how long the videos are, and how recent the most recent one was uploaded. I'm able to get suggested tags, title ideas, and was the script good? Yes, it was. All right, so can you guys use this? The answer is absolutely. Click the link down below, and you can join the beta where you can actually get 5 scripts entirely for free. Don't even need to put in a credit card. And this is actually not going to be in beta for much longer because I'm really happy with how everything is looking. And so, yeah, get it for free while you can, because here shortly it's going to be, and I'm so excited about this as a solo founder, a paid service, a platform where you can go and just create. All right, thanks for hanging out, guys. I will see you guys next time. Go ahead and click the link down below. Start making. Let me know what you think. I'll see you tomorrow. Probably.